y'all, welcome to another clean with me. So today I'm just doing a clean throughout the day with me and just basically filming anytime I have a second to clean. This is the main way that I stay on top of everything in my house. So if you need some cleaning motivation, this is the video for you, so keep on watching. I'm first just starting in the kids' room. This is right before my baby's first nap of the day. So we've already been up for a while. We've done the morning routine, breakfast, played, all that good stuff. I wanted to just quickly get these clothes put away, kind of like open up the diaper boxes, restock the restock the pantry, restock the changing table with diapers, wipes, etc., and then put the extras over here in this little cube guy. And I had all this clean clothes that I needed to put away, so I'm just going to do that really quickly and just kind of do a quick pickup and vacuum in here before I give the baby his bottle and put him down for his first nap. After getting all the clothes put away, I'm just going to put away the bath stuff from last night and some random doodads that were just on top of this dresser. And then I'm just going to wipe everything down with a Lysol wipe. I keep Lysol wipe and air freshener in here in the closet, just so for moments like this, I don't have to walk all the way back to the kitchen to grab stuff. I can just grab it right here really fast. It's out of the reach of my kids. No worries there. And I wipe down the changing table as well. And then I'm just going to vacuum really quickly. I try to vacuum every single day because I have 2 little kids, 2 dogs. We go in and out all day. We're always playing outside, especially with the weather being nice. And of course the dogs are in and out all day long. So I feel like I need to vacuum every single day to stay on top of the dirt and the dog hair. So I'm just going to do a quick vacuum and then put the chairs back where they go. And that is this room done. I have made my morning routine, like the cleaning of my bedroom and bathroom is so integrated into that morning routine that is really hard for me to get that on camera. But I usually kind of make the bed and clean up and pick up my bathroom while I'm getting dressed. So for moments like this, since I already had the vacuum out, I just came right over here to the master bedroom and vacuumed as well, just because already earlier in the day, I had picked everything up basically, like any dirty clothes that was on the floor. I made the bed, all that good stuff. It's just so much a part of my normal morning routine. I always forget to film it for you guys because I also wake up at 5 a.m. before my kids. So it's just really hard to remember. But yeah, I basically pick up clothes and make the bed right when I wake up. And then when I go into the bathroom, I will get myself ready, and then I have a basket system in there, which you can see in one of my last deep cleaning videos. So as I'm getting ready, I'm already putting stuff away back into the basket. And then later, like right now, all I have to do is like little random stuff like this. So I'm putting the bath mat back, or the bathroom rug back. I had washed it the night before and just didn't have a second to put it back. Restocking a little bit of toilet paper, and then I just wipe the counters down with Lysol wipes. Again, I keep my own tube of Lysol wipes in here so I can just quickly grab it and wipe everything down. And that is the bathroom complete. I already have like put the basket away. I'm just showing you like my little basket system here. And that is the master bedroom and bathroom clean and my kids' room clean all in like 15 minutes. So if you're ever wondering how I keep my house picked up all the time, or at least a majority of the time, I never want to say all the time, but a good majority of the time I keep things picked up and somewhat, wiped down and everything vacuumed, that is how. It's because I basically just integrate these things into our normal routine. This is basically the cleaning that I get done every single day, if that makes sense. So now it's a little bit later in the day. This is actually during my baby's second nap and my toddler's first nap. He's about to go down. So they've had lunch at the table. So I take a second to clear the plates off and wipe the table down with just some Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray. And as soon as the toddler goes down for his nap, I start on the kitchen. So I'm cleaning up from breakfast and lunch, and sometimes if I didn't get to the dishes from the night before, I'm cleaning up from last night's dinner. So that's everything you're seeing out here. Yes, this all happens in one morning. I had the waffle maker out, bowls, plates, all sorts of stuff. I think I have a pizza carton on the stovetop that I had from we just had like a frozen pizza for dinner last night. So I just start by clearing off the island first, putting the plates and stuff in the sink so they're just already over in one area for me to start loading the dishwasher. Of course, putting away the waffle maker and then giving the island a really good wipe down with that Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray. And I had spilled some batter. Also bust out a little bit of Dawn dish soap and give that little section a scrub and then give it a final little wipe down. And that is the island like totally clean. I hate to have anything at all left behind. And then I'm going to move on to the dishwasher. So after emptying the dishwasher of all the clean dishes, I did have a video of that. I don't know what happened to it, but you guys have seen me unload my dishwasher a billion times, and I am now just going to stuff it right back up, just stuff it completely full as I possibly can with all of these dirty dishes. It is always mind-boggling to me how many dishes we seem to make in just about 12 hours, but it really seems like I can dirty every single dish in my house in one day. It's really wild. So I'm just going to load everything up, plates, bowls, pots and pans, and baby bottles. Everything is going in here and getting a hot run through the dishwasher. While we're loading up the dishwasher, I thought this would be a great time to introduce myself in case you've never seen any of my videos before. My name is Lauren. I live in Wyoming with my husband, our 2 kids, and our 2 dogs. We absolutely love it here. We're not originally from here. We moved here from my husband's job, and we have loved every single day of living here. I'm 27. We have a toddler and a baby, and we just love to live that classic Wyoming life, I guess. We're very much outdoorsy. We love to go camping any chance that we can possibly get. I do sometimes a vlog on this channel anytime we do something fun or something really cool that I think other people would like to do with their kids. Like I recently reviewed the dinosaur quest that comes through South Dakota and Wyoming area. It kind of goes all over the nation actually. But anyway, I also like to make cleaning videos, cooking videos, and I have a whole other channel on YouTube all about self-care. So once you are done cleaning, you don't need to forget about taking care of yourself. You can always follow me over there for a little bit of self-care motivation and product reviews, makeup, skincare, hair care, stuff like that. I also have a TikTok and an Instagram, and all that stuff is always linked down below. After I filled the dishwasher as full as I could possibly get it, I just wanted to finish off all the dishes. Sometimes I just kind of wait for the next load, but these bowls and this sheet pan don't really fit that well anyway, and they take up too much room when I could fit like 7 other plates instead of one big bowl. So I'm just going to hand wash these really quick since there was only a couple things to hand wash anyway. And of course, we are going to give this sink a very good cleaning. There were so many little random food bits. If you have a toddler, you know, sometimes they kind of just shred their food up, and they do a good job of eating it, but there is still just like shredded up little bits on every single plate, or ketchup sauce or anything like that. So I am definitely going to need to scrub this sink down and make sure that there's no food bits left. I hate when there's like dried on cheese or cereal or something on the sink. It drives me absolutely nuts. So once I am done with this, we are going to scrub the sink down with just good old Dawn dish soap and some elbow grease and get every single bit of food out of this thing. I'm also going to give the stovetop a good once over with Dawn dish soap as well. I have totally ran out of my Dawn power wash and I am feeling the pain. I know that some people kind of dog it and think that you get the same thing out of like the regular Dawn dish soap, but it really does save you scrubbing time on stuff like this. If I could just spray my stovetop down with the Dawn Power Wash, I usually will do that right before I'm about to start loading the dishwasher. So that whole time that I'm loading the dishwasher, the Dawn Power Wash is sitting on there and already loosening up all that food. So I just have to come behind it and give it a quick little scrub down. When you just have like the regular Dawn dish soap and you know, just try to go straight in on a dry stovetop and a wet sponge with Dawn dish soap, you just have to spend so much more time scrubbing. So I still totally swear by the Dawn Power Wash. It is amazing, not only for dishes, but for stuff like this, for cleaning like your countertops or even like the inside of your microwave, your stovetop, something where you want that Dawn to like sit on there and work for you. The Dawn Power Wash really does come in handy for that. So I'm giving the sink a final little scrub and rinse down with hot water. And then of course, just like my stovetop, I will then go in with half water, half vinegar, and I just absolutely douse the inside of the sink. This kills germs and bacteria. It also deodorizes, but it also gets rid of any hard water stains and leaves your glass or stainless steel absolutely shining gorgeous, just glistening with no marks at all. So I love to finish off all of my stainless steel and glass appliances with half water, half vinegar. It's cheap and super effective. It's the best. And then I'm just going to quickly wipe down the rest of the counters with that Miss Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray. I cannot wait to get some of the fall scents. I'm definitely going to be doing a haul soon, and I will show you guys what I got when I do that. So that is the kitchen done, and we are finally moving on to the living room. Too bad in here with the toys. I have said before, I try super hard not to spend too much time with my kids in the living room, because in this house, we didn't have this before, and in this house, we have a playroom. And I just sometimes will get in this rut where we stay in the living room for some reason. And I'm like, girl, you are wasting your playroom. You're wasting this extra space that you have. I have 95% of their toys. I have a whiteboard. I have colors of all kinds. I have posters. I have everything they could ever want in a huge room that we have dedicated to being their playroom. They have an old mattress that they use as a trampoline. Every single thing is in there. So I do my best not to let myself get in that rut of just staying in the living room. So I got them to go to the playroom a lot lately, and that means that my living room stays pretty tame. So I didn't have too many toys to pick up, just a few. I keep a couple of stuffed animals and stuff like that in the living room for when I'm cooking and I just need them up here with me. And then I decided to take those little, I don't even know what they're called. I used to have those horse sticks where it's like a horse head with a stick, but my kids have velociraptors. But anyway, my toddler gets to swinging those around and it gets too close to the TV. So I don't want those in the living room anymore. I'm taking those to the playroom. And then I just give all the hard surfaces a little wipe down with the Miss Meyer's multi-surface spray and a microfiber towel. And we are good to go. I fixed up the blanket and the curtains. I like to close the curtains during the afternoon in this room because, as you can see, the sun just comes beaming in and it makes the room really hot. So I closed those curtains. I fixed up the pillows in our little throw blanket, and now I'm just giving this room a very good vacuum. Of course, dirt and dog hair runs my world here. It drives me absolutely nuts. I have to vacuum and mop every single day. I hate to see it on the floor, and I hate it even more when I have a crawling child because, you know, if you know, you know, it just gets stuck to their pant legs. It grosses me out. You pick them up and there's dog hair all over you. I hate it so much. So I'm giving this room a thorough vacuum, and I just got like really in the mojo of cleaning. I did also do the dining room and the kitchen, but I completely forgot to move my camera. So you're just going to have to take my word for that. And for the mopping, I'm using my handy dandy O-Cedar quick mop. I absolutely love this thing. It is the best. It's kind of like a Swiffer. It's the same style, but it's a reusable bottle, and you can fill it with any cleaner that you like, which I love because I love to switch it up, especially for seasonal scents like I was talking about earlier. And it's a reusable microfiber towel head instead of just like a paper pad. It scrubs so much better and gets off so much more than any Swiffer ever could. I'm using the Floral Pine Allen multi-purpose cleaner right now. I absolutely love it, and my husband loves it. Every single time I use this to wipe around with or to mop with, my husband notices. He absolutely loves the smell of it, and it's amazing. It also cleans amazing, but it's a bonus that it just smells incredible. And again, I did the living room and the dining room and kitchen, but of course, I forgot to move the camera. So that is the cleaning done for the day. I spent the rest of the day chilling with my family and having a good old time cooking and doing all that other mom stuff that we always have to do. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you are still cleaning along with me, there is a whole playlist of my cleaning videos right here on the screen and always linked down below. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and I will see you in another video very soon. Bye.